What's up, guys? Welcome to the Jaffa channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today I want to quickly show you guys the simple tricks you can use to scalp this boom and crash crazily. This strategy I can bet with you guys that we will be able to catch 2 to 3 candles on the 5-minute time frame. Remember, the 5-minute time frame counts 5 times on 1 minute time frame, which means that 5 candles need to count on 1 minute time frame before you can be accumulate the 1 candle on 5-minute time frame. So with the strategy, you'll be able to catch 3 to 2 candles on the 5-minute time frame, which are approximately you are catching 10 to 15 candles on the 1 minute time frame. This strategy you'll be using it on the 5-minute time frame basically, and we'll be able to use this strategy to scalp and make crazy money. So you can see right here, today I was collect a $2.50 account. So you can see with this $2 account I was able to make profit of probably $8 plus, and then I was able to trade with the crash and the job index. So now this strategy, I will not watch you guys through this strategy right here. This is a simple tricks you can use to make money trading the boom and crash. So if you are new to the real channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we post a strategy, you guys should be aware. Also, guys, we do something we are offer account management, no matter how small, little, or how big your equity is. So we just don't manage your account for you. Although we have terms, and we send you the times, and then you go to this time, and if you agree with the times, then we are going to contact, we are going to text us, and then we are going to manage your account for you. So with that being said, let's quickly jump in. So the number for the account management is going to be in the screen. So just contact the number you are seeing at the screen for account management. So let's get started, guys. Now the first thing we want to do is just want to set the strategy up. So we'll go to this icon thing at the top and then click on the F plus right here. So the first thing we want to do, when you click on the F plus, search for your moving average and click on it. So the first moving average is the parameter for the first moving average. The period is going to be 3, shift 3, and the method is going to be exponential. Apply to close, and style I'm going to be using the green color. So when you done like this, click on save, and then you're going to have a moving average right in your chart. Now the second indicator we're going to be adding, click on the F plus, search for moving average and click on it. Then we click on it, the second moving average, these parameters for the second moving average. The period is 5, the shift is 3, method is exponential, apply to close also, and this time I'm going to use the blue color. So when you set up like this, then click on save. Now the last but not the least moving average we are going to be adding, this is the parameters for it. Now the period is going to be 10, the shift is also 3, the method is also 3, apply to close, and style I'm going to be using the black color. So click on save when you're done with it, and then this how your chart is going to look like right here. So our aim right here is just to catch 2 candles or 3 with spike not catching us. So now make sure you stay tuned with this strategy right here, because this strategy is a trick that you can be using to trade the boom market crazily and make huge amount of money with this strategy. So now this is how we are going to make use of the strategies. How you are going to make use of strategy. Let me use the this area right here. So you can see this area right here. You can see now this is what we are expecting right here. When you see the market, this market, you can see this market before it's in a down trend going down, sparking to the downside. Now when it's changing its direction, it's changing from here. Start changing from here. You can see we change this direction, which means that the 2 moving average, which is the green and the blue moving average, needs to go above the black moving average. When it goes above the black moving average, this indicates that the market has changed its direction from the sell into a buy. Now this how we are going to take our entries. This is how we are going to take our entry. Before we take any entries, you don't take any entries once you see the changes. You don't take any entries. You wait for the market to spike back into that moving average, which means that the spike needs to spike back into that moving average, not moving more than the moving average, not moving more than the moving average. So you can see it right here. You can see we have the spike right here, but not moving below the moving average, the black moving average, not moving below it before it changes to the stand side. And if you take a trade right here, you have already catch 2 candles, and then you are out of the market. You can see just a simple strategy right here. You can see we have another setup right here. So we have another setup we do here for our setup right here. Now that is the confirmation for the strategy. That's the confirmation for the strategy. You can see we have another one right here. Not spike more than the black line. Spiking at the when you spike to that black line, that is when you want to go for a buy and catch your 3 to 2 candles, and then you are out of the market. You can see just simple trick. Once you see all the confirmation that it's changing his momentum from changing his momentum from the selling into a buy, which means that in this 2 moving average right here needs to go above the black moving average. When it goes above the black moving average, you want to see a spike coming back to that moving average. When you see a spike coming back to that moving average, when you come back, then that's when you want to go for your buy. Catch your 2 candles and then you are out of the market. Remember, guys, don't be greedy with the strategy. It's just simple strategy. You need to know to trade this woman crash. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. I don't want video to be long, just a simple trick, and don't want the video to be more than 7 minutes too. If you are new to the channel, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and I will put your strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.